Dr. August Dunning. I do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting. And today we're going to discuss differences between men and women coming out of a dry fast in the recovery phase. I want you to look at this image. This is an X and a Y chromosome. Look at how much more code women have than we have. That's probably why they can see the future, have intuition, have a higher pain tolerance. My God, they make the race, you know. And my dad told me once, the only reason you have testosterone is to protect the women. That's your job. But they also come with differences in getting out of a dry fast. Some of the women I know have a very hard time recovering a little bit because throat issues, tiredness, and a lot of the tiredness without being able to sleep is because at the end of a dry fast, you've activated these chemicals, survival chemicals, that keep you awake to try to find food because your physiology thinks that you're in a starvation and you better find food. It's an emergency. And those chemicals keep you awake, it affects your brain, and it affects you after a dry fast. So sleeping is probably a little harder for women. They are more complex than us men, and that's a lot of it. We've had so many instances in my experience where women have a hard time even drinking water sometimes. Fortunately, there's coconut water, and that works just fine, hydrates you just great. The other thing is, when we get out of a dry fast, we have to load up the electrolytes again, of course, which is what you need to do, and just kind of ease into foods. I've done this pretty quickly in the past because at this point I understand I'm going through. And so yeah, you see me pound down the sodium bicarbonate water and that stuff. If you are having trouble getting sodium, you might just take a quarter teaspoon of salt 2 or 3 times a day to get up to a teaspoon of salt. So you get the chlorine in and you get the sodium in. And the sodium helps your aquaporins, make sure you rehydrate properly. The chlorine helps your hydrochloric acid in the stomach to make HCl. And that may be a way to, do that problem. But yeah, people ask how I feel after this. I feel great. I mean, for a day it was a little, interesting because you're just reloading electrolytes and stuff. And drinking bone broths and soups and that kind of stuff because you don't want a hard stuff to digest. Stuff that's easy to digest and gets the nutrition in and gets things going again. I feel really clear of mind. And that's one of the reasons I do these things is, man, my thinking is just electrified, which is great because I've done a lot of rewiring during the dry fast and all that sort of stuff we all know from the past. But don't exercise too heavily. Take it easy because you've reduced your metabolic output to deal with a fast. It'll be a little while to come back in. But, I'm just saying you don't lift weights and go running real fast because you haven't built up the glycogen pillows again. So what I like to do, because I've done this many times, is about day 2, 3, I start eating eggs and toast and sourdough. And that gives me some carbs, and that helps reestablish the glycogen and all that kind of stuff. And you get more energy, and it's really pretty easy. A lot of women have a harder time. A couple of women I know are almost identical, and it takes them a little while to get back to normal. But again, if you look at that image I showed you earlier, they're more complex than us. So be patient with your women and your girlfriends, and know that they have a much harder and more, I don't know if that's the word, but a much more difficult recovery because they're a much more complex individual. They have a lot more code than we guys have. So really, when you think about recovering, I keep telling you, take it easy. Don't overdo it. Just kind of sit around and enjoy the day. I mean, it's, what, 50 degrees here, 54 degrees here in Florida. It's really cold up in the north, and God bless you guys for dealing with that. But that's kind of the deal. You know, you've got to just kind of take it easy. Recovery's pretty easy. You know, I just had steak last night after, 3 days after my dry fast? Because I can deal with it. You know, as men, we have to recover quickly because we have to protect the women, because 90,000 years ago, we were their only protection against wild animals and other wild men. So it doesn't change, you know. We like to paint ourselves pretty and have nice clothes and that kind of stuff, but we're the same beast as we were back then. So remember your roles, remember your partnerships, and men, especially you guys out there, take it easy. Be patient with your women. Understand them. Realize that they go through things emotionally where we go through things intellectually, and sometimes that does cause a lot of friction. But if you're patient and understanding, like in anything, life is a lot easier. Never sweat the big stuff or the small stuff, because it's all small stuff in the end. We have a beautiful planet, a beautiful life, and it's like my dad says, you know, you don't beat the world with muscles. You beat it with that. So think about it. Have a great life. Have a great year coming up. I'm so grateful for you all watching these videos, and all the people that have bought the book and have shared the book and helped other people get to the point where they know that they can control their own health. They don't need a lot of doctoring. You know, my philosophy is, you know, God heals and the doctors take the fee, right? Which means you heal. You can heal yourself if you know how to turn the switches on and off. That's what you learn in the book, The Phoenix Protocol. And there has been a little bit of delay to the next book, this one here, because I have such an outrageous proposal. I have to be absolutely, perfectly logical in the theory and in the evidence to support the premise. You'll see. Pretty cool. Anyway, again, I refuse to monetize my videos, so I just get to talk to you individually. So hit the like button, hit the share button, you know, subscribe if you haven't yet. If you're new here, go down below and look at all those videos, because a lot of questions can be answered down there, and I do answer all my emails on the YouTube channel, so feel free. This video today is specifically to answer some questions that my viewers have asked me, because that's what I do. You know, this is an interactive study of returning health to humanity. That's my job. I'm going to try and do it with this. Anyway, I love you guys. It's a very cold looking ocean, and I'm not at all interested in getting out of it. But I love you guys, and thanks for tuning in. I will talk to you in the new year. Well, that's tomorrow. See ya.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.